Hey there, Weight Watchers. If you're on a journey to slim down and stay fit, I've got some fab dinner recipes that are high in protein and low in hassle. Let's dive right in. First up, lemon herb baked salmon. Grab those fresh salmon fillets and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 200 degrees Celsius. Mix up some herbs, dill, parsley, thyme with salt and pepper. Lay the salmon on parchment paper, squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top, sprinkle those herbs and drizzle a bit of olive oil. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Easy peasy. Serve with veggies like broccoli or asparagus, and boom, 30 grams of protein per serving. Next, chicken and black beans stuffed peppers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, around 190 degrees Celsius. Cut bell peppers in half and bake for 10 minutes. Cook diced chicken breast in a skillet. Toss in black beans, corn and salsa. Season with chili powder, cumin and garlic powder. Fill those peppers, top with cheese if you fancy, and bake for another 15-20 minutes. That's 35 grams of protein right there. How about a hearty lentil soup? Heat olive oil in a pot. Saute onions, carrots and celery. Add garlic, cumin, coriander and turmeric. Toss in diced tomatoes, veggie broth and rinsed lentils. Simmer for 20-30 minutes. Season to taste and garnish with parsley or cilantro. 20 grams of protein in a comforting bowl. For a lighter option, ground turkey lettuce wraps are a winner. Cook ground turkey, add onions, garlic and ginger. Stir in soy sauce, hoisin sauce and rice vinegar. Add water, chestnuts for crunch. Serve in crisp lettuce leaves with peanuts or sesame seeds. You'll get 25 grams of protein. Fancy some shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles? Spiralize your zucchinis or buy pre-made zoodles. Cook shrimp with red pepper flakes and garlic. Toss with lemon juice and parsley, then mix with the zoodles. 30 grams of protein served in style. For a no mayo twist, try Greek yogurt chicken salad. Cook and shred chicken breast, mix with Greek yogurt. Add celery, grapes and almonds. Squeeze lemon juice, add dill and season. Serve on greens or in lettuce cups. Enjoy 35 grams of protein. Last but not least, tofu stir fry. Press and cube firm tofu, stir fry until golden. Add broccoli, bell peppers and snap peas. Mix soy sauce, ginger and garlic. Pour over the tofu and veggies. Serve over cauliflower rice or quinoa. That's 20 grams of protein in a delicious dish. There you have it. 7 high-protein dinner recipes to help you on your weight loss journey. Give them a try and let me know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy tips. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.